Looking for something to do this weekend with AI? Well, here in the United States where I'm at, it's Thanksgiving weekend. So we've got a nice long weekend. And I want to share with you some ideas of ways you could use AI over this holiday weekend to have some fun. Here's step number one. How about a turkey's tale storytelling? In other words, how about telling a story with AI? You could start with this. Write a hilarious first-person narrative from the turkey's perspective about escaping Thanksgiving dinner. I'd love to hear your stories and have you share them here down below. Go ahead and try your AI-generated stories. See what you come up with. Add your own creative twist by asking some follow-up questions, maybe optimizing that prompt, and share down below what type of story you've got. I'd love to hear what you came up with. Here's another one. How about a gratitude recipe challenge? Here's a prompt you could use. Create a whimsical recipe of gratitude that includes unique ingredients like memories, laughter, and unexpected kindness. And then, again, share this down below in the comments. I'd love to hear what some of your gratitude recipes look like. How about a Thanksgiving superhero creation? Here's a prompt you can use. Design a Thanksgiving superhero whose mission is to spread joy and gratitude. Describe their superpowers, their costume, and their heroic deeds. You could even share and we could vote on who came up with the best superhero concept. That one could be a lot of fun. How about a historical Thanksgiving feast reimagined? Here's a prompt you could use. Create a Thanksgiving menu as if it were being prepared in, give a date or time, maybe a specific historical period, and see what you come up with. Again, I'd love it if you'd share this down below. I'd love to see some of the interesting menus that it may come up with. You might also want to look into the future and try it, and maybe you want to try creating a Thanksgiving dinner as it could be imagined 500 years from now. I wonder what that might be like. How about a gratitude meme generator? Here's a prompt you could use. Create a heartwarming and humorous meme that captures the spirit of gratitude and Thanksgiving. You could post those down below. You could post those on your own. You know, it would be a lot of fun taking any of these ideas and just pasting them here in the group or on your personal pages and getting some feedback. Making this weekend fun and enjoyable. Even if you're not here in the US, we'd love to have you participate. How about family story preservation? Over the holidays, we often get together with family, and here's a prompt you could use. Use AI to help me write a cherished family story or memory in a creative and engaging format. How about Thanksgiving future prediction? We talked earlier about maybe doing a menu from the historical perspective or even the future. How about if we just ask it and say, here's a prompt, by the way, describe a Thanksgiving celebration in the year 2074, including technology, family dynamics, and cultural changes as compared to today. That could be interesting. Go ahead and try that and see what you come up with. Again, these are just a bunch of different ideas that you could put in place. I've got a few more, so don't leave me quite yet. How about a gratitude haiku generator? Now, I'm not much one for poetry, but could be kind of fun. How about this? Here's a prompt. Create a series of haiku poems that express gratitude in unexpected ways. And here are 3 things I'm thankful for to include. That could be kind of fun. Again, I'd love to see it if you take 1, 2, or even all of these, and over this Thanksgiving weekend, share some of these in your feed, on your Facebook profile, LinkedIn, Twitter, you name it, or maybe you want to go all in and record a video about it. I'd love for you to share and get some feedback. These could be great, fun, and interactive things we do. It's got to be better than shopping on Black Friday, right? Okay, that's just my opinion, but it'd be a lot of fun. How about this one? How about an alternative thanks challenge? You could give this prompt. List 10 unusual things that I and my family should be thankful for that most people never think of. Now, this could be a great discussion to have over that Thanksgiving dinner, talking around the table, coming up with unique and interesting things to be thankful of. We're all thankful for our family, well, most of the family at least, and we're thankful for the food and the blessings that we have, but how about some unique and fun things? You could literally encourage everyone around the table to share their unique perspective as we go through that. But there's all kinds of things that we could do. Take one of these, try it out. I'd love, again, share your screenshots, share a video, just share the stories and the responses that come up, share these interactions with AI, and let us see what you're coming up with. I'd love to create this Thanksgiving weekend fun and just put put these posts in the group, put them on your Facebook profile, your Twitter, wherever, even record a video like I mentioned. Let's have some fun this weekend with AI, and let's demonstrate to those around us that maybe are a little skeptical about AI, how much fun it can be. Let's go ahead and create a friendly and supportive environment to have some AI experimentation. Remember, AI is a great tool for creativity, and it benefits most when you add your personal touch. So have some fun, keep the mood light and playful, and share your results. Have a great weekend, by the way. I'm thankful for all of you guys especially. Bye-bye.